Mind-blowing reasons why aloe vera is a miracle medicine plant. Aloe vera is not only extremely healthy for your organism, it is also easily found in grocery stores, and you can grow aloe vera at your own home as well. If you are into growing your own plants, it is good to know that the aloe vera needs occasional watering, sunlight and a little fertilization. By raising your own aloe vera, you are making sure that you are using 100% natural and organic products. If you have not been acquainted with this plant yet, it has small wide leaves which are full of gel and can be easily collected for health purposes. You can only split one leaf in half and squeeze the gel out of it and you are done. To learn more on homegrown aloe vera, you have to know all its benefits, so here is the full list. Topical uses of aloe vera: treats acne and eczema, reduces rashes, boils, and other skin irregularities, helps burns heal, stops bug bites, irritation and itching, hydrates the skin, fills in wrinkles, heal wounds, serves as a hair conditioner and shampoo against hair loss, makes up a perfect shaving gel. Internal uses of aloe vera: boosts the immunity, regulates the blood sugar, prevents digestive disorders such as bloating, constipation, IBS and colitis, and soothes the stomach. Helps with reducing heartburn and indigestion, improves the heart's work and the blood's quality, keeps the gums healthy, diminishes the risk for arthritis, inflammation, strengthens the urinary tract performance, encourages the production of white blood cells. This plant originates from northern Africa, and the first uses of it were noticed back in the Egyptian papyrus called ebers. These presented around 12 different recipes on how to use aloe vera to the best of its abilities. From that point on, aloe vera has become the ultimate remedy for numerous diseases and found its place in both traditional and alternative medicine. Moral of the story: avoid as much artificial medication as possible and try to use aloe vera instead for the best health benefits ever.